is rough tonight. Look out the black belt. That's the totally double. Don't eat a full bottle. Please tell me why anybody in their right mind would do this. We have two teams. Okay, boys. Okay, boys. Oh! He didn't even spill his milk! That guy's awesome! I'll tell you, I was rooting for those guys in the red hats and the tie-dyed shirts. I was rooting for them. Who wins it? The two teams coming back for Saturday Night Live. Mike McMurtry, Chad Hanby, and Weston Terry. And the Brady Bunch will be back. Greg, Bobby, and Chris. The Brady